What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python. In this video, we are going to look at what WSGI is in Python. So WSGI, Web Server Gateway Interface, is a specification that standardizes how web servers communicate with Python web applications. Was created in 2003, PEP 3333. It solved compatibility issues by establishing a universal protocol for forwarding HTTP requests and returning response between servers and Python frameworks. So why is WSGI important and how is it actually used? So WSGI ensures Python web applications can run on any compatible server without code changes, offering true portability across Gunicon, UWSGI, and Apache's mod WSGI. This standardless frameworks like Django and Flask work with multiple deployment options, providing infrastructure flexibility. The WSGI application is a Python callable that takes two parameters, environ and start response, and then actually returns an iterable response body. The interface actually boosts flexibility and scalability in production, making it crucial for modern Python web development. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this, do well to post it in the comment section. We'll get to it.